Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to install Google Nest Doorbell Battery. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Installing a Google Nest Doorbell Battery is straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So step 1 is to gather the tools and materials like Google Nest Doorbell, a drill and bits, a screwdriver, a smartphone with the Google Home app installed. Step 2 is to charge the doorbell. Connect the doorbell to the included USB cable and charger. Wait for the status light to turn solid green, indicating a full charge. Step 3 is to set up the doorbell in the Google Home app on your phone. Download it if you haven't already. Tap the plus in the top left corner of the screen, then select setup device and then new device. Select your home, then scan the QR code on the back of the doorbell when prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup and connect to your Wi-Fi. Step 4 is to choosing a mounting location. Position the doorbell at your eye level, about 4 feet from the ground. For the best camera angle, ensure the location is within range of your Wi-Fi signal. If mounting on hard surfaces like brick or stucco, plan to use the included angles. Step 5 is to install the mounting bracket. Use the mounting template. Drill holes where you want. Secure the bracket by attaching the bracket to the wall using the screws. Ensure it's firmly in place. And step 6 is to attach the doorbell online to the top of the doorbell with the top of the bracket. Push it down until it clicks securely in place. Step 7 is to test the doorbell. Open the Google Home app and check the live video feed to ensure the doorbell is functioning correctly. Test notifications and other settings like motion zones, Wi-Fi preferences and activity alerts. Now once you are done, you'll successfully have installed and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.